Viewer subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So I have a few things I'm going to share with my people. The first thing I want to share though is a man with them say missing right now. His name Siobhan Richard. Saying he's from Harborview, St. Andrew. And them saying gone missing today. Right? So I'm going to put him picture up on the thumbnail. Him the right. I tell you in picture look because me put other pictures on the thumbnail. So you know one blue shirt, you know what I mean, and him they're right in front of the ocean. Yes, so if you don't have any information or don't know the numbers, them can call or go to the nearest station. You see me? Hopefully him return back home. You see it? So we're gonna move on, my people, and we want to share with you know are the knockings and clappings we go on in the US where a Jamaican man get unalive by his wife. You see me I say? Seems like the wife was an American. You see it? Woman say she tired of the cheating. You see me I say? And just get mad and unalive him. So to all of the man them out there we want to be a gallus. You know what I mean? Make sure so you're not married and live a yard with woman. If you want to live a bachelor lifestyle, you know what I mean, you know, commit to nobody. You understand? And if your sister the woman can't take you cheating, it's either you left her or you top cheat. One out of the two. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You know what I mean? And the man them, as me I say, yeah, and to the females them too. If you are cheat, if you can't live a faithful life with your man, left him or stop cheat, because them something here we see happen over and over again where woman get unalive, man get unalive because of cheating. You see me I say? And to the man them where I got through them thing here where your woman a cheat upon you, me tell you something man, value on yourself. You know what I mean? Don't make this happen to you, because at the end of the day you I go you know what I mean, go get locked away few much years, maybe for the rest of your life. To the woman them, same thing that I got happen to she. And it look like say she never did want to unalive him, you know, my people. Because I go share with them say happen, right? And them have kids together, you know, she and the husband, you know, my people. But January face look a way where me I say yo, this woman here is a big woman where, you know what I mean, I say yes, this woman here she want to settle down with and spend the rest of her life with, because them have kids together, you know what I mean, them have big kids together. You understand me I say? But this is sad, my people. So them say Florida woman claim she was at her wit's end when she KILL Jamaican husband, police said. A woman charged with the murder of her husband reportedly told police she was at her wit's end over infidelity issues when she committed the crime. According to the police, Mrs. Malcolm, SHOT, and KILL, her Jamaican husband, Rohan, on Saturday at their Florida home, which they shared with their children. Court documents released on Thursday reveal that one of the couple's twin boys witnessed his father BLEEDING out on the floor of the parents' bedroom after being SHOT multiple times. Rohan was reportedly still alive when his son saw him clutching his shoulder. However, the mother later told detectives she fired one final SHOT KILLING her husband just as police arrived. Authorities received a call from the couple's son around 6 p.m. reporting that his father had been SHOT in the shoulder and was still alive. When the police arrived at the home and issued verbal commands for the occupants to exit, the twin boy came out, but Malcolm remained inside according to reports. While continuing to issue commands, officers heard a sound resembling a GUN SHOT from inside the house. During a later interview with detectives, Malcolm told the officers that the last SHOT was the one that KILL her husband. So she admits the can with them here when them arrive on the outside are the one that you know what I mean, unalive him. She explained that for 2 years their marriage deteriorated due to his infidelity. As a result, they slept in separate rooms and frequently engaged in heated verbal altercation. She did not trust him and was at her wit's end with his lies and deceit, the police wrote in their report. On the day of the incident, her and her husband had an argument after returning from shopping for a planned Labor Day barbecue. He had unexpectedly announced that he was going out with friends, sparking Malcolm's suspicion and anger. Believing her husband was lying, Malcolm became upset and a heated argument ensued, lasting for almost an hour. In her anger, she went to her bedroom closet, retrieved a pistol and loaded it. It is alleged that she then stood in the doorway and shot her husband multiple times. She then closed her bedroom door and locked it and was planning to kill herself after he died, she said. It is said that she told police that while she contemplated to unalive herself, her husband said something to her that made her stop her thoughts of ending her whatever and shot him a final time. Malcolm has been held without bail in the Broward Sheriff office since the incident. Some people, Jano, this is sad, and people me understand say them married and maybe them a try work things out. She look like a try to work things out, but it look like say the man have a next woman out there where him kinda love more than she. You understand? So him always a left the house and go away for long period of time and them something there. She know say my cheat on her. You know what I mean? But where you feel the mama cheat back on him? That you feel do. You see me I say? Me understand say love the day and you can't believe say boy, cause you know what I mean, the thought say a next woman I get where you I get. You know what I mean? And you see say boy I'm not really spend no time with you like that and them way there. Me understand say you feel some type of way, but look on what happened here now. Me know say you wish you never did do what you do. So me I say, so to the man them out there, if your sister the woman can't take the bun, left her, she will get over that someday. You know what I mean? Or you stop give this woman your bun because see what happened to this man here. R.I.P. to him and condolences to his family. And them have kids, my people, who still a guy high school and them way there. So what go on with them picnic there, you know, if them not have nobody if you take up them, you know, as guardian, you know, them gone in the system, you know. You see me I say? Everybody like mash up right there. So that the man there, him gone forever. She I get sent away cause you see Florida my people, them no ramp when it come to fi send you away, you know. You know what I mean? So this is sad all around my people. I'm wanting to tell me what you think in the comment section. Jano Star. Bye. So she and the man plan say them a go have a little thing. And maybe through them, you know what I mean, them nah live good, them nah chat to one another and them way there. She feel like say yo, this is a day where she a go spend with her man, and you understand, just do a little thing and try to get things back to normal. And him say boy, him a go left and go out with friends. Nah man, break the woman heart my people. Jaja. So don't take it to the level of my people. You see me I say female and man out there wanna do make it reach that level here. You understand? When you love somebody you go check for that person and one day around that person, and if you find out say this person now reciprocate your love, you go feel some type of way. If you walk away, it go hurt for a little while, but then you go catch yourself and maybe you find somebody even better. So careful of what you do. You know what I mean? So just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So me have an update my people on the taxi man we get unalive this man in Manchester when him a drop off him youth. So them say him get whole on pan, you know. You see me I say for unalive a picnic. You see me them not explain what happened, but them did hold on pan him and him did lock way. For that, you understand me? So it look like say maybe I way him do catch up with him. You see me I say? So I just have to tell the people them say yo wanna know what I do. You see me, cause every action, you know what I mean, there's a reaction, and if you do something, chances are people are go on do your back something. You understand me? And it look like say whoever go film them leave a care, them leave a business who want get unalive when them go film, because him did have the youth in him and them say, you know, when the man them come film, you know, you see it. So I just the Almighty make nothing to do with youth, or maybe him just spin around with the youth or whatever, kind of use himself as a shield certain way for the youth not get none of the con them. But just let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Alright, just so me I go in it.